Hi everyone, I'm Ruby.
And I'm Jack.
Welcome to our channel.
All right, welcome everyone. You are tuning in to the Talk English channel, where we take the confusing stuff and make it make sense. I'm Ruby.
And I'm Jack. And Ruby, you are vibrating with energy today. What is going on? Did you have 3 coffees?
Only 2, Jack, only 2. But honestly, I'm hype. I'm looking at the calendar, I'm looking at the future. It's a new year vibe.
Ah, I see. You've got that new year, new me glow.
Exactly. But seriously, a new year is a blank page. It's a reset button. And today, we aren't just talking about vague resolutions. We are talking about the big one, the one everyone writes down, but half the people quit by February.
Let me guess. Gym membership?
Close, but no. We're talking about mastering English in 2026.
Oof, the heavy hitter. That's a mountain to climb. A lot of people start that climb and get stuck halfway up.
They do. They stop, they get frustrated, they ghost their textbooks. But not this year, not our listeners. We are going to lay out a blueprint today, a real strategy, so that by December 2026, you aren't just studying English, you're actually living it.
I like the sound of that. But before we drop the knowledge, guys, do us a solid. If you want to actually stick to your goals this year, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm you're serious.
And subscribe. Join the crew. We're in this together.
All right, Ruby, let's get real. Is learning English actually easy? Because people on the internet say, learn in 30 days, and I feel like they're lying to me.
They are definitely lying to you, Jack. Let's be brutally honest here. Is it fun? It can be. Is it rewarding? Absolutely. Is it easy? No.
Thank you for the honesty.
You have to put in the work. You can't just buy a book, put it under your pillow, sleep on it, and wake up fluent. Osmosis doesn't work for grammar.
There goes my plan. I was really banking on the pillow method. So what's the secret sauce then? Is it studying for like 6 hours a day? Because I have a job, Ruby. I need to eat, I need to watch cat videos.
No. That is actually the worst way to do it. If you try to study 10 hours a day, you'll burn out in a week. You'll hate it.
Okay, so if I don't binge study, what do I do?
The secret is frequency over intensity.
Break that down for me.
Okay, imagine you're hungry. If you eat 7 days worth of food on Sunday, but then don't eat Monday through Saturday, what happens?
I feel sick on Sunday and I starve the rest of the week.
Exactly. Your brain is the same way. It gets hungry for language. You need to feed it a little bit every single day. Consistency is the magic. Monday through Sunday, no days off.
Even Sunday? That's my rest day.
Even Sunday. But Jack, I'm talking about 20 or 30 minutes, maybe an hour if you're feeling spicy, but you cannot skip.
Okay, 20 minutes is doable. I can survive that. But what am I actually doing in those 20 minutes? Just staring at a vocab list?
Please don't do that. You'll be bored to tears. You need input. Listening is king. Podcasts like this, YouTube videos, music.
Just letting the sounds wash over you?
In the beginning, yes, you need to get your brain used to the rhythm of the language. But listening isn't enough if you want to be fluent. You need to be active.
Active? Like doing jumping jacks while I study?
Physical exercise helps, actually. But no, I mean you need to produce language. I have a tip that makes you look a little crazy, but it works 100%.
I'm already weird. Lay it on me.
Talk to yourself.
Yep, Matt'll do it. My neighbors already look at me funny.
Let them look. Narrate your life. You're making coffee, say, I am pouring the water. The water is hot. You're driving, say, that car is red.
So literally just speaking your thoughts out loud.
Yes, you have to connect your brain to your mouth muscles. If you only read silently, your mouth won't know what to do when it's time to speak to a real human.
That makes sense. It's like muscle memory in sports.
Precisely. Now I've got one more tool in your toolkit. Do you have a notebook?
I have like 5 half-empty ones in a drawer somewhere.
Go get one, a nice one. In 2026, I want you to write down 3 to 5 new words a day.
Only 5? That feels slow.
It feels slow, but do the math. 5 words a day times 365 days.
Carry the 1. It's almost 2,000 words.
Boom, 2,000 words. Jack, if you know 2,000 words, you can navigate almost any conversation in English. Small steps, massive results.
Okay, I'm sold on the strategy. But here's the problem, Ruby. I know myself. January me is excited. January me buys the notebook. But March me? March me is tired. March me wants to quit.
Ah, the valley of despair, the middle of the year slump. This is where most people fail.
Right, so how do we stop that?
First, accept that you are human. You aren't a robot. Beep boop doesn't apply here.
Does not compute.
Exactly. You need rest. If you're stressed, if you're sleep deprived, your brain shuts down. It won't learn. So part of the plan is actually chilling out. Have fun, laugh with friends.
So relaxing is actually homework. I love this plan.
It is. A happy brain learns faster. But when that motivation fades in March, because it will, you need discipline and vision. You need to visualize December 2026.
Paint the picture.
Imagine yourself at a party. Someone walks up and speaks English to you, and instead of freezing, you just answer. You're laughing, you're understanding the jokes and movies without subtitles.
That sounds amazing. I want that.
Then you have to be brave. You have to be willing to sound stupid for a while.
That's my biggest fear, making a mistake and looking dumb.
We all hate it, but mistakes are just data points, Jack. Every time you mess up a sentence, you learn how to fix it. If you wait until you're perfect to speak, you will never speak.
So fail fast and fail often?
Fail forward. Even if you miss a day, don't beat yourself up. Just get back on the horse the next day. The only way you lose is if you quit completely.
Man, I'm actually feeling pretty fired up. It's a marathon, not a sprint.
It's a marathon, but the time is going to pass anyway, right? 2026 is going to happen. You can end the year speaking English, or you can end the year wishing you had started.
Deep. Okay, let's recap the battle plan for the listeners.
Let's do it. Consistency, daily contact, 20 minutes minimum. Input, listen to podcasts, change your phone language, surround yourself. Output, talk to yourself like a crazy person. Use your voice. The notebook, 5 words a day. Balance, rest, sleep, and don't quit when it gets boring.
Solid plan. I think we can do this.
I know we can, and we're going to be here every week helping you guys out.
So here is your homework, guys. We want to know your commitment. Go to the comments right now and tell us one specific thing you're going to do this week to start.
Are you buying a notebook? Are you listening to a podcast on your commute? Write it down. Make it real.
And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want Ruby to keep giving us these pep talks.
Let's make 2026 the year we finally crush it. Thanks for hanging out with us.
Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
See ya.